Everything in this series so far has started from zero, but most real work doesn't. Most of the time you're inheriting an app that's been in production for 2 years, has tables with data in them, workflows that people depend on, and patterns that someone made a decision about in 2019 that nobody wants to revisit. Pointing the SDK at an existing app is straightforward technically. The tricky part is giving the agent enough context to not break what's already there. Start with now-sdk init -- from your app sysID. That targets your existing instance app and downloads its metadata into a metadata folder as XML. Then run now-sdk transform -- from period to convert those XML records into fluent now.ts files that you can actually work with. After that, the agent still has no idea what the app does, how the tables relate to each other, or what patterns the original developer was following. That's where your CLAUDE.md becomes critical. For a greenfield project, you're writing it to define what you want to build. For a brownfield project, you're writing it to describe what already exists. Table names, key fields, the relationships between them, any conventions the codebase follows. If there's a pattern for how business rules are named or a convention for script include structures, put it in there. Before the agent writes a single line, you can say, read the existing business rules in this app and summarize the patterns, naming conventions, how they're scoped, what they trigger on. That gives the agent a mental model of the codebase before it starts modifying it. The other thing to do up front, identify the high-risk areas. Anything touching production data, anything that runs on every incident update, anything that integrates with an external system. Note those in CLAUDE.md explicitly. The agent should know to be conservative near those files. Brownfield work just shifts where the effort goes. You spend more of it on context building upfront, and the investment pays off by keeping the agent from rewriting things that were working fine. Okay, talk to you in the last one. It's the recap.